Hi, it's Miss Jackson here, and I'm going to show you how to create an easy digital breakout using Google Forms. So as you can see, I am here in my Google Drive, and the first thing I'm going to do is press on New. Once I do that, I'll press More and click on Google Forms. The way that you create a digital breakout using Google Forms is to employ what we call branching. That means that students get to go to particular sections in your form based on how they answer particular questions. So the first thing we're going to do here is just go ahead and name our form. Usually you'll want to have a plan that'll tell you where you're going in your form. So for our purposes today, I'm going to go ahead and create another section. A section is created when you press on the little equal sign. And I'm going to go ahead and add actually two sections. So my first question I'm going to ask, what color is the sky? And I'm going to give you some options: blue, yellow, and pink. I'm going to make sure that I make each question required, and I'm going to click on the three little dots next to required, and I'm going to select go to section based on answer. If you answer blue, that means you've got it right. So I'm going to send you to section 3. However, if you answer yellow, I'm going to send you to section 2. And if you answer pink, I'm going to send you to section 2. Now let's go down here and see what's happening in section 2. In section 2, what I'm going to do is I'm going to perhaps give you a video or a document that will help you understand what color the sky is. So I'm going to name this section Review Sky Colors. And I'm going to come right over here and click Add Video. So I'm going to go ahead and search the video for what color is the sky. I'll search a video, and I'll be sure as the teacher to vet all of those videos, and then I will select a video for students to watch in case they are unclear on what color the sky is. That's if they answer incorrectly. As you can see here, remember they're going to section 2 to review the sky colors. But if they know what color the sky is and they're ready to move to the next section of the breakout, which is section 3. In section 3, perhaps I also want them to review the phases of the weather. So here I could incorporate something such as a Nearpod code, or I could put a Flipgrid video where students could do some research and then come and share back the information that they've learned. So because we're app smashing today, I'm going to include a Nearpod lesson. So I'm simply going to open up another tab and go ahead and head on over to Nearpod. I'm going to click on Explore, and then I'm going to find a lesson on the weather. Once I find a video that I like, I'm going to go ahead and take that video. I'm going to add it to my library. And then what I'm going to do is to launch a student-paced version of that Nearpod lesson. So I'll click right here to get my student-paced code. I'll copy this code. Then I'll head back over to my digital breakout. In the description, I'll put review the lesson on nearpod.com, and I would tell them to join using the code. Then I could come in and I could add a question that is derived from the information that I've just asked students to review. So in this particular lesson, I might ask them to come in and tell me, What are the seasons and how do they happen? So that might be my question here. Which is not a season? Fall, springer, summer, winter. And then again, based on how students answer that particular question, they can move forward to another section of the digital breakout. I can send them back to review this particular section or add in more sections. Again, this is a quick, fun way to incorporate digital breakouts in your classroom.